Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows systems. This solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just press Windows key plus R key together to open Run. You can also just go to the search bar and find out services and click here to open it. But if you want to open it with Run, then simply type here services.msc and click on OK. So it will open a new window, services window, and here we need to find out the Wi-Fi direct services connection manager. Then simply right click on it, select properties, make sure we have to select the startup type as automatic, and then click on start the service. Once done, close this window, then right click on the start icon, select device manager, then find out network adapters, expand it, and right click on it, select properties, go for drivers tab, and make sure we have to click on update drivers. So we will get two options. You can select the both options one by one. Firstly we will select the first one, and once done, go back and select the second one. Select the model, click on next, and that's it guys. Close all windows one by one and just restart the system. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly. That's it guys. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.